Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the ultimate burgers and fries. First, let's talk about the burger. You'll want to start with high-quality 80/20 ground chuck for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your patties, making them about 3/4 of an inch thick. Remember, don't overwork the meat. Finally, season them generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Now for cooking those delicious patties. Heat a cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot. Cook each patty for about 3 to 4 minutes per side to achieve a beautiful, caramelized crust. Resist the urge to press down on them, as this squeezes out all the flavorful juices. If you like cheese, add a slice during the final minute of cooking, allowing it to melt perfectly over the hot patty. Next up, the fries. The secret to truly crispy fries starts with the right potato. Opt for starchy russet potatoes, as they yield the best texture. Carefully cut them into uniform 1/4 inch thick strips. Consistency is key here for even cooking. After cutting, soak your potato strips in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step removes excess starch, preventing them from sticking together and ensuring maximum crispiness. The final step for perfect fries is the double fry method. First, heat your oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the potatoes for about 5 minutes until they are tender but not browned. Remove them and let them cool slightly. Then, increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and fry them again until they are beautifully golden brown and incredibly crispy. Season immediately with fine salt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.